Okay, let's talk about physically active lifestyle for adults in the Chanbui Lifestyle Medicine Program. First, sit less. Less than 2 hours per day of recreational screen time, if you can. Reduced sitting for extended period. Get up the chair and walk for a while or do some stretching after every hour of sitting. To reduce sedentary lifestyle, take a break for sitting every hours, reduce the screen time as much as you can, reduce the TV watching time, stand or do some stepping while talking on the phone or watching TV. You don't have to sit to watch TV. You can do some stretching while you're watching TV. Take the stair instead of the elevator. Walk to the destination instead of taking a shuttle for a short distance. Take any opportunity to be active physically, even as little as 1 minute. You should do at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity throughout the week. Ideally, do a 30 minutes exercise at least 6 days per week. Walking faster, doing the Chinese mind body exercise, swimming, gardening. For instance, 30-minute Neigong practice during the morning is a very good exercise. Exercise can be done during the day with at least 10 minutes per block. For instance, a 10-minute walk to the bus station before work, a 10-minute walk during the lunch break, a 10-minute walk to the bus station after work. It will meet the minimum requirement for moderate physical activity per day. Muscle stretching activity should involve major muscle group 2 or more days a week. Several hours of a variety of structured or unstructured light physical activities such as walking around, take out the garbage, cleaning the room, keep physically active daily. Sleep. At least 8 hours uninterrupted sleep per night. Go to bed before 10 if you can. You can practice the Chinese Kung Fu, the Neigong, as an exercise. The Neigong we practice, just like the Tai Chi movement, is classified as moderate intensity physical activities. Practice 30 minutes daily. The Neigong can strengthen your muscle, help you have a focused mind, and physically balance. So that's the end of the section. Thanks for your attention.